Hi, it's Marva again, and I want to tell you another story. I call myself the storyteller, and my stories are intended to help you and me to get on a healthy track, stay on that healthy track, that healthy pathway, realizing our health is our greatest asset. Our health is our wealth, and our food is our medicine. And our medicine is our food. This story is about a friend who has since died from ovarian cancer. But in a conversation with my friend some years ago, we were talking about the diagnostic tools that are used when one is diagnosed with cancer. And even though I am a nurse and I've been a nurse for many years, I wasn't familiar with this diagnostic tool called a PET scan. PET scan. And my friend would get a PET when she was first diagnosed with ovarian cancer. They would do a PET scan like every 6 months or so to see if the cancer has spread, if the treatment protocol they're doing, she had opted for chemo and radiation and surgery, if these treatment protocol was helping. So the doctors would order what's called a PET scan every 6 months to see, where the cancer is, the size, if there was any spreading, any shrinkage, etc. So my friend said to me, did you know that sugar water is what is injected into my body before they scan me? And I said, no. I said, why? She said, because cancer cells love sugar. And when they inject the sugar into my body and scan me, the cancer cells light up. In the presence of sugar, the cancer cells light up. That's what my friend told me, because cancer cells love sugar. And that stayed with me. I think it might have been about 10 years ago, 7 to 10 years ago, that my friend told me that. And that resonated with me. It has stayed with me. Cancer cells love sugar, and cancer cells light up in the presence of sugar. So, those of us that are into health and wellness and proper nutrition, we know that processed sugar, I'm not talking about the sugar that is found in my watermelon. You see my watermelon drink? That's water that I've put lemon slices in. And lemon slices and watermelon slices. And it infuses in the water, and the water is so delicious and refreshing and healthy. Water is healthy whether you put anything in it or not, but just gives it a really nice flavor. And lemon is very good for you. The lemon rind is very good for you. It really helps to neutralize and make your body and your blood more alkaline, detoxes our bodies, and also is loaded with vitamin C. And in the watermelon has the magnesium, the potassium, lots of water, watermelon, and also lemon. This is actually not lime, it's lemon. I always get them mixed up. The watermelon and also the lemon act as diuretics, so pulls excess fluids from our bodies. But they're very healthy. Anyways, like I said, my friend told me about the sugar, the cancer cells lighting up with the sugar, and that reinforced what I already knew, that processed sugar, not the sugar that is in our fruits, but the sugar that we put in our coffee, that nasty sugar that people put in their coffee and that is in sodas and that are in these so-called juices. That is what is bad for us, and that is what is carcinogenic. Now, for the most part, I know most of us will not be able to or willing to eliminate all sugar from our diet. But I heard a doctor say that if we would do most things right most of the times, then we would be okay. So here I am. I can't say that I have 100% eliminated sugar. I do put a little sweet milk in a little cup of coffee that I have every other morning. Or if I have tea, I'm Jamaican, we tend to like to put sugar in our sweet milk in our tea. So if I have tea, I put a teaspoon of sweet milk in which has sugar in my tea. But that's just about it. I don't use sugar otherwise. I don't drink juice. I don't drink sodas, anything like that. I don't eat cake and cookies and that kind of stuff. I don't bring them in my house because I like them. And if they're home, I'm going to eat them. So I say to you, why don't you eliminate most sugar most of the times, and you'll be good. And you'll be good. Okay? Your health is your wealth. Take care of yourself. If you don't, who will? All right? Till we meet again, God bless you and take care.